Good morning. So today for your OWL blends, what you're going to do is click on the link, begin with Google, click on your name, and you're going to read today for me Flynn's Tasty Snacks. So I want you to go ahead and read it, and then you can type in your answers to the questions. It says who had some bugs, type in your answer, what was Flynn's plan, type in your answer, and what tidbit did Flynn get, type in your answer. And if you can, I want you to time yourself to see how fast you're able to read it. But remember, it's not a race. You still need to read every word carefully and take your time. And if possible, type in how long it took you to read it. If you can't do this part, then don't worry about it. But you do have to record yourself reading this in Canvas. So you'll have to click on the media recording and go ahead and read it, and so then I can hear you read. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.